CUMVAL Cave Museum, exhibition of objects created in the factory. Beautiful vault built in granite ashlar in the 16th century, used as a refrigerator, served as a kaolin rod, the white clay used for the manufacture of earthenware in the nearby factory of Juan Falcó. Abandoned at the closure of the factory, it has been recently restored by an employment workshop of women masons, financed by the Unemployment Office and Town Hall. Reopened in 2007, today is the headquarters of the Museum of Ceramics and Glass of Valdemorillo, a museum of industrial archaeology unique in Madrid. In it, you can see more than 100 pieces of porcelain, fine earthenware and glass made during the 19th and 20th centuries, from fragments of Roman sigillata earth that tell us from ancient ceramic tradition to electrical isolators, counting also with plates and jars of fine earthenware and royal tableware for Alfonso XII and Alfonso XIII. These were the first porcelain laboratory and the first fire-resistant glass in Spain, a pioneer factory in many fields and worthy of numerous prizes. This museum can be visited free of charge by appointment request through the email cultura@aitavaldemorillo.com or by telephone 91897 7615.